Have you ever looked into the eyes of an animal and wondered just how intelligent they really are? It's a question that speaks to the heart of our curiosity about the natural world. The truth is, animals possess remarkable intelligence that can astound us, challenge our understandings, and even redefine what we think is possible. Today, we're about to embark on an exhilarating journey to discover the top 5 smartest animals on Earth. Stick around, you won't want to miss what we uncover. As we explore these amazing creatures, you'll learn about unique problem-solving skills, emotional depth, and even cultural behaviors that rival those of humans. By the end of this journey, you'll not only satisfy your curiosity but also gain insights that might change how you view our fellow Earthlings. So, let's get started, because the world of animal intelligence is filled with surprises. First, let's dive into the fascinating world of the African gray parrot. Named after its striking gray feathers and a personality that can light up any room, this bird isn't just pretty to look at. It's also renowned for its astonishing cognitive abilities. Most people might know that African gray parrots are excellent mimics. They can imitate human speech with incredible clarity and even pick up context and tone. But here's the twist, their intelligence goes far beyond talking. You might be wondering, how do they compare to other animals in terms of brain power? Studies have shown that African greys possess intelligence comparable to that of a 5-year-old child. They can understand and use over 100 words, answer questions, and even name objects. There's a remarkable case where an African grey named Alex not only spoke over 150 words but could also perform simple arithmetic. Imagine a bird that could solve puzzles and recognize shapes. His owner, Dr. Irene Pepperberg, dedicated years to studying him and revealed that these parrots have a grasp of concepts like color, shape, and quantity. What's even more surprising is that African gray parrots have displayed the ability to understand the concept of zero, a numerical idea that can be quite complex. Isn't it mind-blowing to think that an animal so tiny can handle such advanced concepts? Now, let's pivot to a creature that's often underrated, yet possesses immense intelligence, the octopus ***. It might surprise you to learn that these mysterious marine animals are not merely creatures of the sea but are, in fact, brilliant problem solvers. When you think of intelligence, you probably don't picture a squishy, 8-armed mollusk, but octopuses are here to shatter that stereotype. Research indicates that octopuses can navigate mazes, open jars to obtain food, and even use tools. One famous study featured an octopus named Inky, who escaped from his aquarium by squeezing through an impossibly tight gap and making a daring crawl to freedom. It took months to recapture him, illustrating not just physical prowess but extraordinary cunning. You might be curious, what drives this level of intelligence? Octopuses possess a unique brain structure, with neurons concentrated in their arms, allowing each limb to operate with a level of autonomy. This decentralization of intelligence means that they can simultaneously solve problems while manipulating objects with multiple arms. Fascinating, isn't it? But their capabilities don't stop there. Octopuses can also change color and texture for camouflage, communicate with each other, and exhibit signs of playfulness, much like dogs. Imagine a creature capable of being both a maestro of escape and a master of disguise. Next up on our list is a well-loved household pet that often steals our hearts, the border collie. While dogs are undoubtedly clever, border collies have proven to be the smartest breed in existence. Bursting with energy, intelligence, and unwavering loyalty, they showcase an ability to learn commands at an astonishing rate. You might be asking yourself, how do we quantify intelligence in dogs? One fascinating study found that border collies can learn new commands with just 5 repetitions, making them the standout champions of canine cognition. These dogs are not only exceptional at learning commands but also exhibit an extraordinary ability to work independently. Their herding instincts allow them to make judgment calls on the fly, guiding sheep with finesse while anticipating how the flock will behave. Consider the story of a border collie named Chaser, who learned the names of over 1,000 different toys. Her owner, Dr. John Pilley, dedicated years to training her, demonstrating that these dogs have the capacity for long-term memory and understanding that is akin to human intelligence. Just think about it for a moment. How many toys have you named and recognized without thought? Isn't it stunning to think of an animal achieving such a feat? As we continue our exploration, let's turn our attention to the elephant, the gentle giants of the animal kingdom. Elephants carry a reputation for strength and size, but what truly sets them apart is their profound intelligence and emotional depth. Did you know that elephants have their own form of communication? They use a series of vocalizations, body language, and even vibrations sensed through the ground to convey messages to each other. Studies have indicated that elephants possess great empathy. They've been observed mourning their dead and even showing signs of grief similar to humans. One particularly touching account involved a group of elephants gathered around the body of a deceased member of their herd, gently touching her bones with their trunks in what can only be described as a solemn send-off. This deep emotional understanding is a testament to their intelligence and social structure. You may be thinking, how can emotional intelligence be measured? Furthermore, their brilliant memories allow elephants to remember locations, friends, and even individual human faces for decades. This makes them exceptional survivors in the wild. They are capable of identifying water sources and pathways that haven't been used in years, effectively contributing to the survival of their herds. Isn't it remarkable to think that these giants navigate their world both socially and environmentally with a deep understanding that we still strive to fully comprehend? Now, as we approach our final revelation of the top 5 smartest animals, we come to the dolphin. Renowned for their playful nature and acrobatics, dolphins often capture our hearts. But beyond their charm, these marine mammals are among the most intelligent creatures on our planet. Dolphins possess a sophisticated social structure and abundance of emotional intelligence that rivals even elephants. Their ability to communicate is advanced. They use an array of clicks, whistles, and body language to convey messages. Moreover, they demonstrate self-awareness, an ability to recognize themselves in mirrors, something that only a handful of species can do. You might think about how self-awareness relates to intelligence, and you'd be right on track. Cetologists, those who study cetaceans, whales and dolphins, have noted that dolphins can uncover complex tasks and display a phenomenon known as culture, where they pass learned behaviors from one generation to the next. For instance, certain pods of dolphins have been observed using tools, such as sponges, to protect their rostrums while foraging on the ocean floor. Additionally, dolphins engage in playful behaviors, playing games with each other and even with other species, including humans. This not only speaks to their intelligence but also lays bare a deep emotional complexity, making them truly captivating beings. Could it be that their playful nature is one of the keys to their intelligence? As we've journeyed through this exploration of our planet's smartest animals, African gray parrots, octopuses, border collies, elephants, and dolphins, we've uncovered incredible capabilities that demonstrate varying kinds of intelligence. From the ability to learn intricate tasks and communicate through complex social structures to profound emotional understanding, our fellow creatures challenge our conventional beliefs about intelligence. So, what's the takeaway from our journey today? It's this: intelligence exists in many forms, not just those we typically recognize in human beings. Our animal companions teach us that problem-solving, emotional depth, memory, and creativity thrive throughout the animal kingdom. Isn't it fascinating to think that intelligence isn't solely a human trait? As we look to the future, let's aim to cultivate a greater appreciation for the intelligent beings that share our world. By doing so, we create a more profound bond with nature and its inhabitants. The next time you encounter an animal, whether it's in your backyard or on a wildlife adventure, take a moment to marvel at their brilliance. The world is indeed full of wonders, and by acknowledging the intelligence of these fantastic creatures, we enhance our own understanding of life itself. Thank you for taking this journey with me through the fascinating tapestry of animal intelligence. May your curiosity inspire you to continue exploring the wonders of our planet and the remarkable beings that inhabit it. What comes next will leave you speechless. Dig deeper into the world of animal cognition, engage with the research, and perhaps even foster a passion to protect and celebrate the incredible intelligence all around us.